and I'm in the house bored, and I'm bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored. Hey Glow fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, hey sis, we missed you. And yes sis, she has on the same shirt as she had in the last video because she's getting quite a bit of recording done. We're gonna make sure that we hit this Monday mark every week, okay? So for today's video, I was recently informed from a friend of mine about a website called Influenster. And it's basically where you can give your review on different products, and sometimes they will send you free products for you to test out and review yourselves. Of course, whenever we hear these kinds of things, there's always a little bit of skepticism. You're like, really sis? Are you gonna send something? Or is this some kind of scam? And you're gonna be trying to steal my stimulus check whenever the government decides to give it out? Anywho, so I figured, let me try it out. It's free to sign up. And so I did a couple of reviews on things that I've already purchased before. And a month and a half, maybe 2 months, I actually got my first Voxbox. That is what they call the boxes that they send you. They're called Voxboxes. I have it right here. So each Voxbox is different. It depends on the campaign that you qualify for or that they think you would be a good fit for. The one that I have here is the Native and Vera Bradley Gillette Venus Voxbox. And I got it probably a week. It comes like this. And it has the products in there that you would test out. And they also give you like a card just with a synopsis of the products that you have. And it also has like the instructions for you as far as the review process, like however they're asking you to review it. Sometimes they might ask you to write a review on the Influenster app, or they might ask you to go to like a website like Target and leave a review on that product on the Target website. You do have to make sure that you include, I guess, wherever you're leaving this. If you're going to be posting on social media like your Instagram or Facebook, you need to put that you did receive the items for free to review. But for the most part, it is pretty legit. Now, I won't be reviewing these products like in a video. I'm just gonna do it as the regular like review on the Influencer app, and then on my social media, because I think one of these I have to post a picture and post it to my Instagram. I'm pretty sure that's it. We'll see once I get down to the nitty-gritty of it. But it wasn't really hard. They send you a survey to see if you qualify, and it doesn't tell you specific brands of anything. You don't get to pick any kind of brands that you want to review for. It mainly just asks you questions like, what kind of beauty stuff are you in, or what kind of food do you like? Have you recently eaten candy? Do you like shaving cream? I mean, it's just kind of random questions. They might even ask you like, how much would you be willing to pay for this kind of item, X, Y, and Z. And then you kind of just choose that. And at the end of the survey, it will say if you qualify. Yeah, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get the Voxbox. It's just saying that you're one of the people that qualify for that campaign. So if you are chosen, would you be willing to do a review for it? And then it does give you the brand names at the end. Would you be willing to do a review for Tatcha and post something on Facebook and then write on a Sephora website? Or would you be willing to do a review for Kraft barbecue sauce and write a review on Target and write a review on the Influencer app? So it's pretty cool. I actually recently got an email that apparently I qualified for a second campaign Voxbox. It hasn't arrived yet. I think it's probably gonna arrive by Friday. And so you can get more than one Voxbox at the same time. Like you can be working on 2 different kinds of campaigns at the same time. As long as you make sure that you do whatever the requirements are as far as uploading your review, then you should continue to qualify for Voxboxes and, you know, try out different stuff for free. So if you are someone who, you know, you do a lot of shopping, or you just kind of like to try new things every once in a while, I would definitely check it out. It's not a bad site to just kind of dip and dabble into new things. One of the things in this current Voxbox was a charcoal toothpaste, and I had kind of been wanting to try one before. I just had never, every time I go to the store, I just forget about it, and then I end up buying my regular toothpaste. So it was interesting to try this one out. But I mean, if it's free, you're not paying nothing for it. So sis, why don't you do it? You ain't got nothing else that you doing. You in the house bored. I said I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, and I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up and leave me something in the comment section. If you have tried Influenster before, let me know and what your experience was, or if you have never tried Influenster before but you're interested, I will leave a link to the actual app or the website in the description box below. I'm just trying to help you get free stuff that you can try. Now sis, you know, like I know, you should be a part of this tribe. So won't you go ahead and subscribe. So until next time,